हाँ जी बेटा, आज ਅਸੀਂ कुछ ਹੋਰ क्वेश्चन करांगे from mean and variance. Now the question is, let x be a discrete random variable with fx is equal to c into 1 over 2 to the power x, where x varies from 1 to 3 and so on. Now question is, find c. Second is, find mean, variance and most probable value of random variable x. एक तो ਅਸੀਂ अर्थमैटिक मीन फाइंड करना, सब तो पहले तो ਅਸੀਂ c ਦੀ वैल्यू फाइंड करांगे. सेकंड पार्ट इज फाइंड मीन, वेरिएंस, मोस्ट प्रोबेबल वैल्यू ऑफ रैंडम वेरिएबल x. इट मीन्स वी आर टू फाइंड mod. वी आर टू फाइंड mod. नो सब तो पहला तो ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ c ਦੀ वैल्यू फाइंड करांगे. Now because it is PDF, so therefore summation fx is equal to 1, x varies from 1 to infinity. Now we will put the value of fx. X varies from 1 to infinity, c into 1 by 2 to the power x is equal to 1. Taking c common, summation x varies from 1 to infinity, 1 by 2 to the power x is equal to 1. Now if we will put the values of x, now what we will get? 1 by 2 to the power 1, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 cube and so on. Now it is infinite GP with the first term 1 by 2 and common ratio 1 by 2. Now see, we know that sum of infinite GP is a over 1 minus r. So from this we will get c is equal to 1. And now we will put the value of c in fx. So therefore fx is equal to 1 by 2 to the power x, where x is 1, 2, 3 and so on. This was the first question. Now second question is, we are to find the mean. Now mean of random variable x is given by expectation of x. Because x is discrete random variable, so therefore this is equal to summation x into fx. Summation x, and what is fx? 1 by 2 to the power x, and x varies from 1 to infinity. Now one into 1 by 2 to the power 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2 square plus 3 into 1 by 2 cube, 4 into 1 by 2 to the power 4 and so on up to infinity. Now let, ना तो स्टूडेंट हुणे AP बनती है, ना ये GP बन रही है, ते ना ही कोई इदां दा फार्मूला एक्सपेंशन बन रही है जिन्हों असीं डायरैक्ट फार्मूला लगा के असीं इहदा सम फाइंड कर सकीए. नाउ हुण साडा मेन परपस की आ टू वैल्यूएट दी सम. नाउ लेट x इज इक्वल टू, नाउ लेट s इज इक्वल टू 1 into 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2 square, 3 into 1 by 2 cube and so on. Now this is of the form s is equal to x plus 2x square 3x cube, 4x to the power 4 and so on. Now first of all we will multiply this by x. जदों नू x ना multiply किता we will get excess x square plus 2x cube plus 3x 4 and so on. Now subtracting these two equations, s minus xs is equal to, this is x. Now 2x square minus x square plus x square plus x cube x to the power 4 and so on. Now s into 1 minus x, now it is becoming infinite GP. Again it's sum x over 1 minus r if modulus of x is less than 1. So therefore s is equal to x over 1 minus x whole square provided modulus x is less than 1. So अगर इस रिजल्ट नू इस वाली इक्वेशन ते अगर अप्लाई करिए, कंपेयर करिए, नाउ x इज व्हाट 1/2. सो देयरफॉर s इज इक्वल टू 1/2 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 माइनस 1/2 होल स्क्वायर. तुसी जदों भी इनू सॉल्व करना तो इनू x कंसीडर करके नहीं करना, तुसी इनू 1/2 नाल ही सॉल्व करना. मीनस s गिवन आ, इनू 1/2 ना मल्टीप्लाई करो, जिदा मैं इनू x ना मल्टीप्लाई किया 1/2 ना मल्टीप्लाई करो, ये तुहाडे कोल आ जाएगा 1/2 इंटू s. फिर s दे विचों सबट्रैक्ट करो 1/2 इंटू s, यू विल गेट 1/2 प्लस 1/2 स्क्वायर प्लस 1/2 क्यूब. आफ्टर दैट s इंटू 1 माइनस 1/2 इज इक्वल टू 1/2 ओवर 1 माइनस 1/2. सो सॉल्व करने तो बाद we will get 1/2 divided by 1/4 which is equal to 2. So therefore s is what? Expectation of x. So expectation of x is equal to 2. It means mean of random variable x is 2. Now we have to find the value of वेरियंस. सो वेरियंस का फार्मूला हुंदा वेरियंस ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स होल एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स होल स्क्वायर. नाउ एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स की वैल्यू सानू पता लग गई. नाउ वी विल फाइंड एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर. नाउ एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर की अगर असी गल करिए, which is equal to summation x square into fx, values of x from 1 to infinity. Now 1 square and first of all we will put the value of fx. Fx is 1/2 to the power x. Now 1 square 1/2 to the power 1 plus 2 square 1/2 to the power 2, 3 square 1/2 to the power 3 and so on. Now again our main purpose is to find the sum, because ना तो ये AP बन रही है ना ही स्टूडेंट ये GP बन रही है. Now once again we will again let s is equal to 1 over 2 plus 4 into 1/2 square plus 9 into 1/2 cube and so on. So sorry, this is expectation of x square. Now expectation of x square is equal to taking 1 by 2 common, 1 plus 4 into 1 by 2 square, 9 into 1 by 2, sorry 4 into 1 by 2, 9 into 1 by 2 square, 16 into 1 by 2 cube, and so on up to infinity. Now I am considering this sum as S. Now let S is equal to 1 plus 4 into 1 by 2 plus 9 into 1 by 2 square plus 16 into 1 by 2 cube, and so on. This is very important part, very important question, because बाकी सब तो सिंपल आ, लेकिन इत्थे तुहानू प्रॉब्लम जिहड़ी आनी आ टू फाइंड द सम ऑफ इनफाइनाइट सीरीज. नाउ सब तो पहला असीं की करांगे, नाउ कंसीडर दिस इक्वेशन नंबर 1. Now multiply this equation by 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 into S. Now 1 by 2 plus 4 into 1 by 2 square plus 9 into 1 by 2 cube, and so on. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन नू आपां 1 by 2 ना मल्टीप्लाई किया, 1 नू 1 by 2 ना मल्टीप्लाई किया, आई राइट इट हेयर. 1 by 2 ना मल्टीप्लाई किया 4 into 1 by 2 square, I write it here, and so on. So consider this is equation number 2. Now subtract these two equations, subtract 1 and 2, subtract 2 from 1. Now 1 by 2s, s minus 1 by 2s is 1 by 2s. Now this is 1. Now 4 into x plus 1 into x, subtract किया 4 into x minus 1 into x, this is 3x, 5 x square, 7 x cube, and so on up to infinity. Consider this is equation number 3. Now again multiply this by 1 by 2. 1 by 2 नाल इनू फिर मल्टीप्लाई करिए. Now 1 by 2 into 1 by 2s is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 3 into 1 by 2 square plus 5 into 1 by 2 cube, and so on. Consider this is equation number 4. Now subtract 4 from third equation. Subtract करिए. Now 1 by 2 s minus 1 by 4s is equal to 1 minus 0 1. 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 square plus 2 into 1 by 2 cube, and so on. Now this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, and so on. Now अगर फर्स्ट टर्म उसी स्किप कर दिया एज इट इज लिख लिए. नाउ द रिमेनिंग पार्ट इज बिकमिंग जीपी, इनफाइनाइट जीपी, with the first term 1 and common ratio 1 by 2. So sum a over 1 minus r. So therefore this is 1 plus 2 which is equal to 3. तो अगर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड की गल करिए 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 is 1 by 4 into s. So 1 by 4 means s by 4 is equal to 3. So s is equal to 12. So student s की वैल्यू साढ़े को 12 आ गई. So therefore expectation of x square की गल करिए 1 by 2. इस वाले पार्ट नू असी s कंसीडर किया सी ते s की वैल्यू साढ़े को 12 आ गई. सो देयरफॉर एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1 by 2 into 12. सो देयरफॉर Therefore, expectation of x square is equal to 1 by 2 into 12, which is equal to 6. Which is equal to 6. Now student, we are to find variance. Find असी की करना सी variance. Now variance of x is equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. Now this is 6. Expectation of x square is 6 and expectation of x is 2. 2 whole square, 6 minus 4 is 2. So variance is 2. Variance of random variable x is 2. And another part, there is one more question in this question. We are to find the most probable value, maximum frequency, maximum value. Now because fx is equal to 1 by 2 to the power x, where x is 1, 2, 3 and so on. तो अगर ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊਜ਼ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ, ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ x ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਸਬਸਟੀਟਿਊਟ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, we will get the values of fx are 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 cube and so on, means 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16 and so on. So therefore from this one, this is decreasing sequence and the most probable value is 1 by 2. Maximum value is 1 by 2. So therefore most probable value of f is 1 by 2. Now next important question is, the PDF of a random variable x is given by fx is equal to c into e to the power minus b into x minus a. X is greater than equal to a. Otherwise it is 0. Where a, b, c are the constants, show that a is equal to mu plus minus sigma and b is equal to c is equal to 1 over sigma, where mu is the mean and sigma is the standard deviation of random variable x. Now because it is PDF, so second condition of PDF is minus infinity to plus infinity fx dx. अगर इंटीग्रेशन करिए, that is equal to 1. Now here the values of x are from a to infinity. But is fx c e to the power minus b into x minus a dx is equal to 1. So taking c common, integration करिए e to the power negative b into x minus a divided by negative b. A to infinity is equal to 1. So minus c over b, infinity put किया e to the power infinity is 0 minus अगर a substitute करिए a minus a is 0, so e to the power 0 is 1. So from here c over b is equal to 1. So b is equal to c. So एक तो साढ़े को ये आ गया कि b is equal to c, but we are to prove that b is equal to c is equal to 1 over sigma and a is equal to mu minus sigma. So इसका मतलब mu भी फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. mu means mean expectation of x and sigma is square root of variance. तो वेरियंस ਲਈ ਅਸੀਂ एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ x स्क्वायर भी फाइंड करांगे, लेकिन सब तो पहला ਅਸੀਂ फाइंड करते हैं expectation of x. Now expectation of x is given by mu is equal to expectation of x a to infinity x into fx dx. So a to infinity x and value of fx is c into e to the power minus b x minus a dx. So taking c common, we are to integrate x e to the power minus b into x minus a dx. Now apply integration by parts by considering this is first function and this is second function. Now अगर इंटीग्रेशन कितना आफ्टर इंटीग्रेशन c x into e to the power minus b into x minus a divided by minus b minus e to the power minus b x minus a divided by minus of b square a to infinity. Now c solve करन तो बाद स्टूडेंट सिंप्लीफाई करन तो बाद we will get a over b plus 1 over b square. A over b plus 1 over b square. So taking c over b common, we will get a plus 1 over b because b and c are equal. ਅਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ b ਤੇ c ਇਕੁਅਲ, ਸੋ ਇਹ ਕੈਂਸਲ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ a ਬਣ ਜਾਏਗਾ a plus 1 over b. So we get mu is equal to a plus 1 over b. Now we will find expectation of x square, because to find variance we are to firstly evaluate expectation of x square. So which is equal to x square into fx dx a to infinity x square c into e to the power minus b into x minus a dx. Now again we will integrate by parts. Now what we will get? X square e to the power minus b x minus a divided by minus b minus 2x e to the power minus b into x minus a divided by minus b whole square plus 2 into e to the power negative b into x minus a divided by minus b cube a to infinity. Now we will put the upper limit and the lower limits. We will get c into a square over b plus 2a over b square plus 2 over b cube. Taking b cube common, so we will get c over b cube a square b square plus 2ab plus 2, because now here it is b cube, so which can be written as b into b square, and this is what ab plus 1 whole square plus 1, because it can be written as a square b square plus 2ab plus 1. Now c and b are equal, so we will cancel c and b, so we will get 1 over b square into ab plus 1 whole square plus 1. Okay. So this is the value of expectation of x square. Now expectation of x square. Now expectation of x means mu is equal to a plus 1 over b, and expectation of x square is equal to 1 over b square into ab plus 1 whole square plus 1. Now sigma square means variance of x is equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. Now expectation of x square is 1 over b square. Now if we will multiply 1 over b square, we will get ab plus 1 over b whole square plus 1 over b square. This is expectation of x square minus this is mu square. Now sigma square plus mu square is equal to, now from this one mu is equal to a plus 1 over b, taking LCM b, ab plus 1. So ab plus 1 over b can be written as mu. So this is mu square plus 1 over b square. So cancel mu square. So sigma square is equal to 1 over b square. Therefore sigma is equal to 1 over b and b is equal to 1 over sigma. Because b is equal to c, so therefore b is equal to c is equal to 1 over sigma. Also mu is equal to a plus 1 over b, and 1 over b is what? From here 1 over b is equal to sigma, so mu can be written as a plus sigma. So therefore a is equal to mu minus sigma. So from these two we proved that a is equal to mu minus sigma and b is equal to c is equal to 1 over sigma. हाँ जी बेटा, ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ मीन एंड वेरिएंस वाला टॉपिक एक्सरसाइज आलमोस्ट फिनिश्ड. अगर ਤੁਹਾਡਾ कोई डाउट होए दैन यू कैन सेंड मी ऑन WhatsApp. नेक्स्ट ਅਸੀਂ स्टार्ट करांगे मोमेंट्स ऑफ ए डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन विच इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. थैंक यू.